Okay, ito yung example. This is the first example from your book. Okay, so I want you to read lesson 15, the concept behind lesson 15. Now look at this area under the curve. Okay, now this is your differential equation. dA dx is dy, or dA is y dx. No? And the area between the curve y is f of x, okay, the x-axis, and the lines x is a and x is b is given by this equation. Now, notice na kapag ganyan yung curve mo, yan, let's say, yan yung curve. No? So, okay, this will be considered as a positive area. This will be considered as a negative area. This will be considered as a positive area based on this definition. Area AB is integral from a to b y dx. Look, if the curve lies above the x-axis, A is positive, and if the curve lies below the x-axis, it is negative. Now look at this. Find the area bounded by f of x is 2x plus 1, the x-axis, and the lines x is 0 and x is 1. Yung x is 0, ito yun, no? That is your x is 0. Your x is 1, ito yan. There is x is 1. And how do you plot the curve? Okay, when x is, look, when x is 0, okay, your y is what? Your y is 1. When x is 1, then your y is what? Substitute 2 times 1 plus 1 bali 3. 3. So, this is now the one that is being asked. So, this is a positive area. All you have to do is just integrate that. So, integral, okay. Now, you can take advantage of the calculator here. Okay, let's have the calculator. Okay, you can go directly to the calculator, that is 2x plus 1, and then limit from 0 to 1. So the answer is 2 square units. Now there is a hitch here. Halimbawa, ang pinapa-integrate mo is from x is negative 1 to x is 1. Yan ang pinapa-integrate. Saan yung x is negative 1? Nandito. So this means dalawa yung area na involved mo, isang negative at saka isang positive. So kailangan malaman mo muna kung saan or where did this the line intersect the x-axis. Now you set x is what? You set x is you set y is 0, then your 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then your x becomes what? Negative 1/2. Therefore, this is negative 1/2 and 0. So, you will have to subdivide this into two areas. So, ito, integral from negative 1 to what? To negative 1/2. And then what? And then 2x plus 1 dx plus the integral of 2x plus 1 dx. Now, limit from negative 1/2 to 1. So try nating integrate yan. 0 to what? 0 to, this time this is 0 to negative 1/2. Okay. Observe that the area is negative. So, ito, negative 1/4. Negative 1/4 siya. And then, if I change the limit from what? From, okay, this is from negative 1/2 to what? To this time, this is 1. So, this is what? That area is negative 1/2, and that area there will be what? Will be 9/4. So this will give you, okay, negative 1/2 Okay, just get the absolute value plus 9 over 4. And your total area is what? Okay, your total area is 1/2 plus 9 over 4. Okay, that gives you 2.75. Okay.